In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link email to a contact form in Wix. To get started, log into your Wix account and open your site's dashboard. This is the main control center where you manage your website settings, forms, contacts, and automations. Once you are inside the dashboard, look over to the left-hand menu and click Customers and Leads. From there, select Forms and Submissions. This section shows all the forms connected to your site, including your contact form submissions and related settings. Now, find the specific form you want to link to an email notification. When you see it, click the More Actions icon, which appears as 3 dots next to the form. A menu will open, and from there, click Form Notifications. This takes you into the settings area for notifications and automations tied to that form. You should now see the Settings tab under Notifications and Automations. In this area, find the automation called New Submission Received for Contact. Then click Edit next to it. This opens the active automation so you can adjust what happens whenever someone submits the form on your site. Next, click Send an Email. When you do that, a panel will appear on the left-hand side. This is where you choose who should receive the notification email. Take your time here because this is the part that connects the form submission to the email recipient you want. Scroll down in the left side panel until you see Show Additional Settings. Open that section and then click Edit next to Recipients. Under Contacts, check the contact box to use a saved contact as the email recipient. If the email address you want is already listed, you can simply select it. If it isn't there yet, use the drop-down menu and click Create New to add a new contact. After that, enter the contact's name and email address. Then click Save. Once the new contact has been added, select that newly created contact from the list and click Apply. This confirms that the notification email for your contact form will be sent to that recipient. Finally, make sure you publish your changes to save everything properly. Publishing is important because without it, your updates may not go live on the site. And that's it. Thanks for watching.